Council tax. Everyone in the UK pays it, but few really understand how it works. Your bill depends on your band, your household, and even discounts you may not know about. Today we're breaking down council tax in plain English, where bands come from, how appeals work, and the famous 25% single person discount. By the end, you'll know exactly how it's calculated, how to challenge it, and where you could be saving money. In England and Scotland, council tax bands are based on property values from 1991. That means over 30 years ago, every home was placed into a band, A through H. In Wales, the values are from 2003, and they even added a ninth band, I. Because property markets have changed so much, the system often feels outdated. A house that's doubled in value since 1991 could still be sitting in Band C, while a similar home next door may be in Band D. It's not about today's prices, it's about those historic valuations. Your local council sets the rates each year, but your band decides your starting point. Band D is treated as the standard. Band A is usually about 2/3 of a Band D bill. Band H can be more than twice as much. For example, if your council sets Band D at £2,000 per year, a Band A household might pay around £1,350, while Band H could be over £4,000. This means two families living in similar looking homes can face dramatically different bills, simply because of their band. The first step is knowing which band you're in. In England and Wales, you can check instantly on the gov.uk website. In Scotland, it's through the Scottish Assessors Association. Enter your postcode and you'll see every property on your street and what band they're in. It can be eye-opening. Sometimes you'll notice a neighbour in a lower band, even though your homes look almost identical. If you think your band is wrong, you can appeal. But it's not just about filling in a form. You need evidence. Useful evidence includes sale prices of similar homes in your area, especially if they're in a lower band, changes to your property, such as being converted into flats, mistakes in the original 1991 valuation records. Appeals in England go through the Valuation Office Agency. In Wales, through the Valuation Office Wales. In Scotland, the Scottish Assessors. If you win, your band is lowered, your bill goes down, and in many cases you'll receive a refund for past years. But there's a risk. If the authority decides you should be in a higher band, your bill could rise instead. Council tax isn't just about bands. There are also discounts and exemptions that reduce what you pay. Single person. Discount. If you're the only adult in the property, you get 25% off automatically. This applies even if there are children living there. Students. Full-time students are generally exempt. Severe mental impairment. People with certain medical conditions may not be counted as adults for council tax, reducing the bill. Carers. Some live-in carers also qualify for discounts. Empty properties. Homes left vacant for probate or other reasons may be exempt for a period. Many households miss out on these because they don't realize they need to apply. Councils won't always volunteer the information. Council tax is one of the biggest household bills in the UK. If your band is wrong, you could be overpaying hundreds of pounds a year. If you're not claiming discounts, you could be missing out on even more savings. Checking your band, reviewing your bill, and applying for discounts can make a real difference to your budget. So, are you paying too much council tax? The answer might be yes. Always check your band, claim any discounts you're entitled to, and don't hesitate to appeal if something doesn't look right.